Hey there! So in this video, we're going to talk about the different ways to use videos and the different places that you can actually put the videos so that you can get in touch with a lot more clients. And so the main thing that we want to think about is social media. And the first place that we think when we think social media is the biggest social media platform there is, and that is, of course, Facebook. And Facebook owns Instagram, and Instagram is quickly becoming one of those places where you can definitely reach a lot more people and get in front of them with your videos. We think of the newest videos on this platform, which are stories and of course reels, and we'll talk more about that as well. We can also think about YouTube and actually getting these videos onto YouTube even for your local area and how to do that. Also, your website. So if you have a simple website, and you should, you can put your videos right on your website. This could be your introduction or story video right at the top of the page, or you can do explainer videos, you can do testimonial videos, lots of videos you can put right on your website and direct potential clients to your website. And also emails. So if you have an email list or you're growing one, you can also share what you're doing through videos that you put right into your emails, and even ask people to send or forward those emails to people who they think might be interested in you and your services. So let's dig a little deeper. And let's think about all the places on Facebook alone where your videos can show up and attract more clients. So within Facebook, there are posts. Obviously, you have your personal posts on your personal page, as well as posts on your business page, right? And you can do both. So when you run paid posts or paid sponsored ads, those are going to be run from your business page. So let's say you put up a video on your business page and you get a lot of engagement to that video. You can turn that into a paid ad and put a little money behind it and push it out to a lot more people in your city. As well as using Facebook Live videos. Now, this one is a little bit more uncomfortable for most people, even me, but you can turn those live videos into paid posts as well. So you're thinking about posting your videos on your business page, on your personal profile to get in front of more people, as well as using live videos to create lots of engagement. Now, the other place that I love to connect with the new clients is through local Facebook groups. So this could be a hiking group, this could be a mommy group, this could be a fitness group, and you get to know people in your local areas and you start just engaging in their posts very naturally, asking questions, answering questions, and pretty soon offering them your services. And one little trick you could do here is if you're involved and engaged in local groups, and maybe you start messaging with somebody in that group, then you can maybe add her as a friend. And now that she's your friend, once you start posting your videos and posts on your personal profile, then she can learn more about you. And it's not like so invasive where you're like, here, look at all my stuff. But now you've just naturally made friends with her and she sees the stuff that you post on your personal page, and now she can see your hairstylist videos. And then she's like, oh, okay, so maybe she is interested in becoming your client. And then you direct her to your business page or any other way. Now that you have these connections, and you can do this a few at a time, totally free, to create these friends, show them your personal posts, your personal videos, and then when they want more information, you direct them to your website, or you direct them to your Instagram where you have more videos and more posts and more photos and more testimonials. So this can all work kind of like a funnel, as kind of like linked pages that can kind of be that foundation online for you to spread the message of who you are. So Facebook is a super awesome place to start. And then, of course, we have Instagram. And I know that a lot of hairstylists are also on Instagram, as you should be. Instagram, you can put your videos straight into your posts and it will cut it down to maybe 30 seconds. But you can also do Instagram live videos as well. You can do your videos straight onto stories, which are little snippets of what's going on. But also through stories, you can direct people back to your website, to your YouTube channel, to more information about your salon. And as well, we also have stories on Facebook, right? So these are ways to just get in front of people naturally, but on an ongoing, consistent basis. And then, of course, Reels is the biggest thing. This is Instagram's version of TikTok, and these are short videos, right? And then you can link them into longer videos or also direct people where to go from there. And you can also use all of these types of videos and posts as paid posts. You pay Facebook and Instagram a little bit of money, and when you get something, a post or a reel or a story that people are really engaging with, you pay a little bit of money and then it puts it out to even more people. So this is definitely something that you want to be thinking about. Now, the thing is here, this might seem overwhelming. There's lots of places to use your videos. There's lots of different strategies that you can use to get your videos out there, to get more engagement, to attract more potential clients. And the thing I want you to remember here is that you can choose one and then just concentrate on that particular channel. So for example, Reels is really big right now. Now, stories was big just a couple months ago, and live videos were big just a couple months before that. So you can really just choose what you want to focus on and try to stay consistent on that platform, whether that's Instagram or whether that's Facebook. Hopefully you kind of know by this point which platform has the most potential clients for you. Generally speaking, Facebook has a little bit more of an older crowd. Instagram is a little bit more toward the younger crowd, but don't let that stop you, because I definitely have seen a lot of potential clients on both platforms. And things change all the time. But if you just wanted to start on Facebook, maybe you just wanted to start in local groups, engaging with people there, and then kind of adding them as a friend and then putting videos in front of them or posts in front of them through your personal Facebook profile, that would be a great place to start. Or maybe you're already doing that and you're thinking about adding Instagram. And so Instagram stories and reels would be a great place. And you just do snippets, right? They don't have to be super long videos, but this can add up to lots of engagement where people can really get to know you and your hair services and your salon a lot better. So pick one, start there, or add one if you're already doing one. And don't forget the power of email. So what I love about videos is that once you create one, and let's say you use it on Facebook on your business page, you can take that same video and put it inside of an email. And that same video can go on your website, or that same video can be used in multiple places, or even kind of cut up into segments to use. So you can definitely attract people with these different types of videos that we're talking about, and then using them in different ways, right? On your website, you might have your story video, you might have testimonial videos, you might have educational videos. Those educational videos can then be used on Reels. They can then be used on your business page. They can be used in multiple ways. And you can even say, take those certain types of videos and connect with your email list. And you can say, hey, by the way, I just took this new hair class and now I'm adding, hair extensions or a new type of hair extensions to my service list. And I just wanted to let you know, I came back from this show, I came back from this class, I came back with this new certification, and you make a video about it, put that into your email list, put that also on your Facebook, also on your Instagram, also on a YouTube channel, right? You can do lots of things, even with one video, you can turn it into different ways to connect on different platforms. So it's super exciting. There's lots of ways to use your videos, but don't get overwhelmed. Start with one, add another, see what fits for you, and it's going to be super awesome once you get this going. It'll get easier and easier as you go. And in the next videos, we're going to be talking about what you do, how to start, where to start, what to say. And so we have lots more coming. So I'll see you in the next video.